So we're here at Harrison Lake. Just gorgeous scenery, y'all. Man, this is a fairly big alpine lake, really, and the water here in the shallows actually ain't too shabby. Not sure if I'm gonna like jump all in. That's a little crazy, man. Check out that boy. I know what he's doing. This would definitely classify as exploring God's country. This is what I'm talking about, y'all. This is why I love backpacking. It's just so much beauty all around you. All right, y'all. Operation Launch Drone in progress. Some beautiful scenery up here. I'm gonna capture it for you on the DJI Mini 3. That's what I'm talking. Yeah, brother, man. That's a wrap. We're heading back. It was a beautiful hike, and now you know why it's so popular.
Oh, just go away. Just delete that. Just throw in the trash.
Okay.